Hey, so this is going to be a quick review on one of those Ryobi tools that I've been waiting to get. Wanted to get it at a good price, and that moment finally came. I originally had a bucket type vacuum or wet vac, and I wanted something that was cordless, and that's ultimately why I ended up getting this. Doesn't have any cords, because trying to vacuum stuff up and worry about a cord is such a headache. All right, so this is part of their 18-volt family, where you can just put an 18-volt battery right here and it'll power the vacuum. I'm not sure how long it'll last, but I've read reviews on this, and apparently it's really good for like cleaning out of the car, vacuuming up maybe the trunk. And let's see, let's pop this open. I do like these feel really good quality. And this is a 1 gallon vacuum, and as you can see, it does have a filter on it. I believe this filter is for dry vacuuming, and if you wanted to vacuum, let's say water, you would need to remove this filter, and then it would just suck the water into here, dump it out, and then you put this back on. And I love that that pops on and it twists. Oh no, does it? Oh yeah, it twists on. Okay, so you have to twist it to lock it on, and it doesn't come out. And see, it comes with a few different pieces. You have this little fancy little end piece. Oh, this goes right here. And once that's in, that's locked in. And now you have this stretch hose, which the stretch is about, it's like about 5 feet. And then you can just carry it with you, and I'll go get a battery right now and show you how it works. There we go. Have a battery. Go ahead and plug that up, and let's see if we can find something to vacuum. All right, we got a crumb right here. A few crumbs actually. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This is the power button. It's a good amount of suction. We have this. I love how if you're using it on a flat floor, it just pulls with you. So like right now, oh yeah. And you know what I really like about this? When I'm doing woodworking projects, I can just set this up near my tools, and I can either leave this on while I'm vacuuming. Shouldn't put that up there. I should either leave this on while I'm using the tool, or I can vacuum stuff up, or vacuum up the sawdust after I finish doing what I'm doing. So yeah, this is very versatile. I love that it's so mobile. It weighs about maybe 5-10 pounds. It's really light and really easy to carry. So I'm extremely happy with this purchase. Highly recommend it if you're looking for a mobile, easy to carry vacuum that vacuums up both dry and wet messes. Something else I wanted to add before I finish up this review. It does come with these little attachments that go on the side. All right, so that's in there, but you basically can wrap it around. So now you have a plate. So your hose isn't just hanging around. It literally just wraps around and it stays in place. So that's super convenient. Yeah, I'm loving that. Oh wow, and it even has, I'm thinking this is something for you to hang it on one of the Ryobi systems. So, all right, thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.